Hey, everybody. Man, I think every time I type these titles in, I'm just getting worse and worse. This is rough. I should find something else to do for the intros. So today it's Josh. Today it's Josh with PALASSIS Media. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do, or how to get more likes on your Facebook pages. By the way, if you're wondering, wow, you've used the same background a lot. I know. This is my third video I'm pumping out in a row in one day. So, unfortunately, the background's going to be the same. Sorry, not sorry. So, anyways, let's just get right into it. I just want to show you quickly. This is what my Facebook business page looks like for PALASSIS Media. I got some recommendations, some 5-star. I got like 5,100 likes. And for those of you that do have a Facebook business page or that know anything about Facebook pages, nobody really checks or cares about your engagement. As far as I've been able to tell from everyone I've talked to, Instagram, people kind of check. Okay, if you have 2 million followers and you only have 100 likes on your photos, boom, you're fake, and you lose your validity. Whereas on Facebook, like when you type it in, and you're going over and you see a page and you see, oh, actually, is it going to show me maybe? Sometimes it'll show the star ratings. It's not not showing it here. But you see, oh, 5.1 thousand likes, cool. And you go over and you see, oh, it looks good. You go about. They have all their information here. Cool. Everything's filled in. They have reviews. Yeah, we got a bunch of posts. Oh, look, that's me. Got a bunch of posts. Anyways, it looks legit, and the only reason you're really going to be using your Facebook page a lot of times is to advertise from it. Well, at least that's what I use it for, and to link a business Instagram account. Because to have a business Instagram account, you have to have a business Facebook page, so you might as well set it up, make it look nice, and then you don't even really have to touch it besides sharing posts to the Facebook page, because nobody really checks these, to be honest. So I'm just going to show you how to build a quick and easy and cheap Facebook like campaign that will honestly get you these 5,000 likes within, oh, you could probably get it in with like a couple weeks and maybe like $100, but don't start with $100. Start with like $35. I think that's what I did the first time. So what you're going to want to do, I have a thing here I'll show you, it's already done, but you're going to want to come into Facebook Business Manager, choose whatever ad account you want. I already have it in here. You're going to want to create a new campaign. I think it's engagement, and then you choose page likes. And don't worry about split testing. Just choose a name. Let's go back here. I already did that. And then it'll come into, oh, hold on. I'll do this. Come into here, give it a name. Page likes, auction automatically. Yeah, it's fairly simple, so this page is done. So make sure you choose the Facebook page that you want to get likes for, obviously, and I showed you in the last video how to set up your pages up here in the settings, so make sure you add the page that you want. You can do this for clients, you can do this for yourself, do it for your friends, whatever you want. For these I just did a lifetime budget, so I just did, I had an end date, so I had it over the course of a week, I think. You can have it going every single day if you want. I don't think it really matters. I just like to put an end date so that I know within the end of a week I'll get all my likes. So I put, yeah, so like $40, I think, for this campaign. I don't know how many likes I got. I probably got a couple thousand. I set the date, run ads all the time. I already had a few thousand, so I actually, if you come here and you go, oh, actually, I won't even show you this because I already created these lookalike audiences, and that will be another video where I show you how to create audiences. So what I did, more or less, what this is it takes the few thousand people that I already had liking my page and creates a lookalike audience based on those people. So people that look like them with interests, habits, social demographics, whatever. So it'll now add these people to my pool of potential people who are going to like my page now. And the big key thing that you have to do, and now we're in locations, big key thing that you have to do when you're doing these like campaigns to make sure that you're getting a really cheap cost per click, like I'm talking 1 to 3 cents per click, or per like, sorry. What you're going to want to do is choose worldwide as your location, and then go here and exclude the big 4. I think it's 4, is it 5? Big 4. US, Canada, UK, and Australia. So choose worldwide and exclude UK, Canada, or US, Canada, UK, and Australia. And then once you do that, come down here. You can play around with these ages, see what gives you a better reach. I just did 18 to 40, all languages. You could just type in English. Well, if you're not English, type in whatever language you want, or whatever your ad is for, or your page is for, I should say. Add a few. So again, if you don't have a page yet, don't worry about this. Just keep this blank. These custom audiences, don't even touch it. Just leave it blank. I already had this going, so that's why I made this lookalike audience. So then you'll come down here, and because this is so vague in general, you can just, the targeting, just do really, really general. So mine is a digital marketing page. I just did self-employment, business, entrepreneurship. That's it. If you're a florist shop, is that a florist shop? Is that the right way to say that? Whatever. You know, type in flowers, florist shops, and bouquets. Whatever. Type in a few things. You don't have to get super specific with this. Another big thing here is choose your Facebook page. So go here, like Facebook pages. Exclude people who like your page. Choose your page here. It's pretty much the only connection you need. You just don't want the same people seeing the same ad because you're wasting money on them pretty much. And they're not going to like you again because they already liked you. Automatic placement. Usually I do edit placements, but for some reason this one is already, it's only in the feeds, which is pretty much where you want it. Don't put an Instagram because it's going to like your Facebook page. So it's an extra step that people aren't going to take off of Instagram probably. Honestly, don't even do any of these. It's just literally keep it in the feeds. It just works the best. For a lot of things, just feeds works the best. Especially for these like campaigns. People are more likely to just, you can just click like right off of the ad. So they're more likely to do it right off of the feed. For bigger ads that actually require people to do stuff, I'll always select this only when connected to Wi-Fi. That way, if they see a whole ad where they have to now fill in a questionnaire, they have to fill in their email and everything. A lot of people don't have a great data, so they're not going to do it when they're not on Wi-Fi. So usually I select this, but in this case, it's just to like a page, so whatever, leave it. And that's pretty much it. And then I think, hold on, why do I have two of these? Well, I think I was doing this one, so let's just go see. Oh, because this is the last iteration of what I did. Yeah, I'll just show you this one. Okay, so then now you got to make your actual ad, right? This is what actually shows up on Facebook. What's this? I can't edit it. Oh, because it was part of it's already done. The campaign's already done. Whatever. So you title your ad. This, only you see this. Make sure, again, it's the right page. Choose a photo, video, whatever you want. For these like campaigns, just do a simple photo. Something that catches your eye and makes them want to join. You can see here, this was like around Halloween. Ooh, somebody replied to my Kijiji ad. This was around Halloween, so I just did a very time-specific. Don't be scared this holiday season. Do business the right way. Come like our page to learn more about our expertly tailored services. And unlike some other ads, and you can see it got some pretty good engagement. I only had this going for like 7 days, not even, I think 5 days maybe. And it got pretty nice engagement, a few comments. And this is what makes it look great as well, right? The longer you have an ad up, the more engagement you have. When people scroll over it and they see like, oh shit. Oh, sorry. Well, that's the first time I swore on this YouTube channel. I'll try and add a beep. No, I won't. I'm too lazy. So when they see that there's lots of engagement, they'll be like, oh, wow, this must be good. I must click on it. So the more engagement you get, the better chance you'll get even more engagement. It's a building process. So you just want quick text, if any, nothing too crazy. Do a simple eye-catching photo. It's not going to show a full title like it would on a regular ad. It's just going to show your page name. And you can add a little... here, this is the text. That's the headline. Oh, this little bit down here, this is from my page, I think. This is actually the bio on the page. So yeah, that's literally it. Don't add a pixel to this. It's not worth it. There's nothing to track that Facebook isn't already tracking. Yeah, that's literally it. I'll show you. Send here. This is what it would look like in your news feed. So people will be scrolling and they'll see this. Oh, PALASSIS Media. Cool, cool. And they can literally like it right off of here. And they can comment, like, do whatever they want. And what I meant earlier, too, by saying people look at your validity, right? You can go over here. Okay, never mind. This shows nothing. If they don't want to like the page yet and they go click on it, if you have you have no reviews, you have no likes, they're going to be like, oh, what is this? This is a weird spam. But when you have you know, 5,100 views or likes, you got all the reviews, especially for me, right? I'm actually trying to do business. I'm actually trying to get people to come to my page and email me and get some business off of them. So your social proof and your social validity here, it really matters, because a lot of this has to do with literally just looks. What does it look like? Do you look trustworthy? Doesn't even matter if you are, you know, to start. It matters if you look trustworthy. Oh, this is another one I did. Again, PALASSIS Media, do business the right way, come like our page. Yeah, this is even simpler. Don't be scared. This is real. Put my logo, 2 money signs. Oh, look, this got even more engagement. Nice. Yeah, so is this going to show me? Hold on, let's go. Oh, it is lifetime. Yeah, see, I think the reason I stopped this one is because the cost per click started to get pretty high. I know that seems low, but for these like campaigns, honestly, you want 1 cent cost per click. And I've gotten a bunch of these at 1 cent. For some reason, this kitty started to screw me over. And she didn't work so well. I think this one was 3 at the end. It started at like 2, got up to 3 at the end, and then it stopped anyways. It just depends. Sometimes you got to just play around with it. 1 to 2 cents is best. But just realize at 1 cent, you're getting optimal likes and optimal likes for your purpose. At 2 cents, you're literally doubling your cost, right? Like it matters when you want to get thousands of likes as opposed to only getting a couple hundred. So that's all I can say, guys. This is really simple. It's just a nice little tip, just so you guys can use this in your arsenal. Get some more likes, get some more social proof. I don't know why I always never know what to say at the end of these videos. That's pretty much it. Okay, guys, I'll see you in the next one. I'll just end it here. Bye.